Another day, another English lesson. Chances are that saying that something is likely. Chances are is a common conversational structure used to say that something is probable or likely based on what you already know. It's a friendly, informal way to make a prediction or guess without sounding too certain. The structure is chances are plus that plus subject plus verb. The word that is optional and is usually dropped in everyday speech. Example, chances are she has already left for the airport. You can use chances are with the present tense to talk about a current situation or with will to make a prediction about the future. Example and example. Chances are he doesn't know about the meeting. Present situation. Chances are it will rain later. Future prediction. To make a negative guess, simply make the verb in the clause negative. Example, chances are they won't finish on time. Chances are works well when you want to sound natural and conversational, rather than formal. More formal alternatives with a similar meaning are, the odds are that, it's likely that. Now you try. Complete these sentences using chances are and the correct form of the verb in parentheses. One, my cousin loves adventure sports. Chances are he will want to go skydiving with us next week. Two, the stadium is already full. Chances are we won't get tickets at this point. Maria always checks her email first thing. Chances are she has seen your message already. Four, the sky is getting dark and cloudy. Chances are it will rain soon. Five, Tom never checks the weather forecast. Chances are he won't bring an umbrella. Six, the restaurant is famous and it's a Friday night. Chances are we will have a long wait. Seven, he's been studying every night this month. Chances are he will do well on the exam. Eight, it's already 11 p.m. and the shop usually closes at 9. Chances are it isn't open. Or chances are it won't be open. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.